Welcome friends, I Rakesh Sharma welcome you on my channel Embrance. Friends, this is the English version of the prediction series of 2021. Earlier I have made few videos in Hindi. So this video will be a complete analysis of my earlier videos so that you can understand what we are heading towards. My friends, February is a very drastic month in the year 2021 because February will set the agenda for the rest of the year. There will be many triggers what we will face in this month, my friends. More importantly, if I speak astrologically, in February there will be a conjunction of 6 planets in the sign of Capricorn. Capricorn is the 10th house in a Kalpurus chart and it is ruled by Saturn. In this house, from 9th Feb onwards, there will be a conjunction of 6 major planets that includes Saturn, Jupiter, Sun, Moon, Venus and Mercury. And basically, 10th house is a representation of world and world events. At the same time, it is the representation of government. So what does it denote? My friends, it denotes some revolutionary changes at the world stage, some drastic changes at the world stage. This conjunction will lead to something very drastic and tragic for the entire world. Whenever a conjunction takes place, the effects comes gradually, slowly and gradually. The intensity of the events happens, my friends. Sun represents government and Saturn is a representation of public. Jupiter, it's all about wisdom, truth, knowledge, higher calling. Mercury is all about making decision and it will be in the state of retrograde. Moon is a representation of our happiness and Venus is all about the love. Imagine when all these 6 planets come together, it will create something major in every person's life. Whatever the events which will happen due to this conjunction will shake and will have effect in every individual's life, my friend. It is a time of revolution, my friend. And this revolution will occur due to some wrong decision made by masses or public or government. It can create some kind of panic. It can also create some kind of battle, some kind of fight for justice. Because Mercury is retrograde, that means we are bound to take some wrong decision related to any situation in our life which will affect our happiness, that is moon, which will affect our soul conscious, that is a representation of sun. Basically, what we need to understand through this conjunction which is happening in Capricorn sign in the month of Feb is that it is setting the agenda for the year 2021, my friends. This is not a healthy scenario for this world, my friends. And at the same time, we need to prepare ourselves, we need to gear up ourselves for the coming months, for the events which will happen gradually as we move forward. It is the time when we have to develop a strength and at the same time we have to follow certain patience in our life, certain decision making abilities needs to be corrected in this time, my friends. I, it's all about something very drastic which will have effect on all the masses of this world. I can see some global crisis coming out in this time, some warlike scenarios, share market breakdown, rift between government and public, tension rising in borders, tensions in relationship, some natural calamities may appear in the coming time. Whether we accept or not, it's all about our individual thought. The decision what we make will result or will impact the event which we will witness in the coming weeks ahead. So I probably feel as a human being we should restrain ourselves, or we should avoid something which is not good for us and at the same time for humanity. It's a very challenging time which we are entering, and only God can help us, nobody else. If a person is sleeping, we can make him awake. But if he's acting like he's sleeping, then he will never awake. So what I want to say is that those who will create these scenarios, these events for all of us, they are acting like they are in the sleeping mode. And they don't want to understand because they are very selfish people who are power hungry. So, my friends, prepare yourself as we move forward in February. And I hope that something good happens in these tough times for all of us, because whenever the night is dark, the sun is nearby. With these thoughts, I end this video, and I pray to God that He should indulge in the coming time to save humanity and to save good people.